This is the summary created from the video, Managing Data. Managing data in the cloud involves handling large volumes of information and ensuring security, which traditional database models may not be able to handle directly due to the scale and parallel operations involved. Relational databases use SQL for interaction, with a parser optimizing query execution, while disk space management minimizes disk movements through contiguous memory block storage, and the database file system layer provides parallel I/O and failure redundancy. Parallel database architectures are categorized into shared memory, shared disk, and shared nothing, each offering efficient SQL execution, table partitioning, distributed joins, and fault tolerance, with shared memory suitable for servers with multiple CPUs, shared nothing consisting of independent servers with their own disk space, and shared disk being a hybrid with server clusters accessing shared storage. The Google File System GFS and Hadoop Distributed File System, each DFS, manage files across distributed commodity servers by splitting them into chunks or blocks and replicating them thrice on different physical racks for fault tolerance, with a master or name node controlling the namespace and clients accessing metadata to read or write chunks from designated chunk or data. Servers. Bigtable is a distributed storage system built on GFS, storing data with row and column keys and timestamps, with each column family in a Bigtable cell storing arbitrary name-value pairs and multiple versions of data per cell organized into tablets, while a master server maintains metadata about tablets, and Bigtable supports large parallel reads and writes, but insertions require more work than simple appends. Dynamo supports large and concurrent updates suited for web and e-commerce applications, using key-value pairs with arbitrary values, with objects replicated to primary virtual nodes and additional nodes for fault tolerance, and using a quorum protocol to maintain eventual consistency during high read and write concurrency, and distributed object versioning with local timestamps to ensure consistency during writes. Data stores like Google App Engine Datastore and Amazon SimplyBee are key-value databases storing entities, exploiting column-oriented storage and storing data as column families using multiple index tables, partitioning, and lexicographic sorting for efficient querying, with entities grouped for transactional purposes and indexes created to support varied queries. The discussion covered different aspects of cloud data management, including traditional databases that are fault-tolerant, efficient, and offer parallel execution, as well as the need for column-oriented databases to handle large cloud data volumes, and the use of distributed file systems like GFS and each DFS for data storage. Key takeaways include the importance of managing huge data volumes and ensuring security in the cloud, the use of SQL and parallel I/O for efficient access in relational databases, the fault tolerance and scaling offered by parallel database architectures, the splitting and replication of files across distributed servers in GFS and each DFS, the storage of data with row and column keys and multiple versions in Bigtable, the support for large concurrent updates and eventual consistency in Dynamo, and the use of column-oriented storage and indexes in data stores like App Engine. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.